My name is Pauline Madani and I'm the founder and managing director of Nordic Homeworx. We're the exclusive distributor of Swedish flooring cars. When it comes to a dream project, I always believe that working directly with the person that's going to live in the home is the most important. We're creating a special lifestyle. It's a comfort, and being able to see it through from the beginning to the end is really any dream project. So I think feeling that excitement and also being able to see the change that the client will see in their home is really what excites me the most. If you want to make it more cozy, you go for something darker. Then there are other factors with the flooring that you have to consider, which is texture. If you're a person that loves soft textures, and then you should probably go with a wood flooring that has an oil finish, for example. If you want a smoother finish, then you go with a lacquered finish. Or you have to look at how light reflects. You want to see a lot of grain and texture again, so it has to do a lot with texture. My favorite one is probably the herringbone right now. I think it is elegant, yet traditional, and I think it brings the past and the future together. Here in Dubai and the UAE, we have a lot of AC, so it distributes cold and it also distributes warmth. So the warmth of the wood flooring is really that makes the difference. But the main reason is really that when you come home, and especially in these times where we have seen that we need to spend more time in our home, we want to kick off our shoes. We want to be comfortable. In the wardrobe, you want to walk barefoot. This is where you dress. So you want to be really comfortable. You want to have that soft texture. So I would probably go again with an oiled flooring, but perhaps a darker color. It's your private space, and making it cozy, I think, is a good choice. When it comes to kitchens, and especially the thematic kitchens, it's super durable, high quality, and you need to match it because it's supposed to be used. You're supposed to enjoy the kitchen. This is the heart of your home. When designing a thematic kitchen, I think you need to look at the overall feel that you want to create. Do you want to have a classic feeling? Do you want to have a modern feeling? Perhaps if you choose a lighter color like this kitchen, going with a warm floor could be a good choice to warm up the space. So we do have various colors. So here you can go with a light color wood in your home and then match with a LVT light color as well. So it all depends on, again, the feeling that you want to create.